Okay, let's begin.
You are not thirsty. You are not bored. Word. You are not shocked. Scared. You are yes. You are yes. Type. No. Excited.
Yes.
You are not sleepy. You are happy. You are not surprised. You are small hungry. No? Hungry. You are not angry. You are not sad. You are not bored. You are not shocked. You are not sleepy. Tired. You are happy. You are sleepy. You are not sleepy. You are thirsty.
Great job.